Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sebelumnya perkenalkan, nama saya Mary Asmida.
Saya Pitaloka.
Di sini kami akan mempresentasikan English Meeting 29 and 13. Baiklah, di sini saya akan mempresentasikan English Meeting 29. Helping patient with diabetes management, blood sugar test. Next, label the picture 1D5 below. Use the word in the box and identify which piece of equipment is not used in blood sugar test. Number 1, unirealistic. Number 2, glucometer. Number 3, blood testing strip. Number 4, lancet. Number 5, cotton swab. Next, match the type of diabetes 1D3 to the definition A to C. Number 1, type 1 is B, diabetes control by insulin. Number 2, type 2 is C, diabetes usually controlled by medication, diet, and exercise. Number 3, gestational is A, diabetes during pregnancy. Next, discuss the following question in pair. Number 1, what do you know about a type of diabetes in above exercise? Number 3, what are some of the treatment of diabetes? Answer: type 1 diabetes is usually found since childhood. Unlike type 1 that occurs starting for children, type 2 diabetes occurs in adults and the elderly. Gestational begin to occur at 24 and 26 weeks gestation and is characterized by blood sugar after a high meal. Number 2, don't consume exercise sugar, get enough rest, drink enough, and exercise. Attention the sentence below. I need to check your blood glucose level before you see the doctor. Is that okay? I'll just put the test strip in the glucometer. Can you hold out finger, please? I'm going to prick the side of your finger with this lancet. I'll put a drop of blood in the test strip. You input the cotton swab on your finger now. We'll have to wait for the result to flash on the screen. I'll record it on your card now. Pay attention the picture and complete the sentence using the phrases in the previous slide. An example has been done for you. Number 1, I need to check your blood glucose level before see the doctor. Is that okay? Picture 2, I'll just put a test strip in the glucometer. Number 3, can you hold out your finger, please? Number 4, I'm going to prick the side of your finger with this lancet. Number 5, I'll put a drop of blood on the test strip. And next, you can put the cotton swab on your finger now. Number 7, we'll have to wait for the result to flash on the screen. Next, I record it on your card now. Next, blood glucose level. Number 1 is E, less than. Number 2 is I, more than. Number 3, BGL C, blood glucose level. Number 4, cholesterol is A, amount of fat in the blood. Number 5, glycate hemoglobin is B, amount of glucose sugar which stick the blood. Next, hyperglycemia is D. High blood sugar. Number 7. Hypoglycemia is G. Low blood sugar. Next, L is F. Li3 is number 9. Moles is H. Millimoles. Baiklah, itulah hasil presentasi meeting 29 dari saya. Selanjutnya akan dibacakan oleh teman saya, Pitaloka.
Baiklah, di sini saya akan melanjutkan presentasi meeting 13. Asking a patient for consent question from explain diabetes card. Nurses must always ask patients for their consent or permission before a procedure. For a simple procedure, for instance, testing a blood glucose level, it's enough to ask it that up. Or do you mean if it takes your blood glucose level? For a more serious procedure like an operation, the consent must be in writing. Makes a sure text about taking a blood glucose by using the following prompts to help you. Number 1. Check blood glucose doctor. Drug blood test strip, glucometer, cotton swab, finger, hold of finger, white result screen, freeze side of finger, lancet, record, and chart. Text about taking a blood glucose. Wipe your fingertips with a cotton swab soaked in alcohol. Prick the tip of your finger with the lancet to allow the blood to come out and be dropped. Put a drop of blood on the drip strip and wipe for the result. Usually, a number indicates your blood sugar level with a pair within a 5 seconds on the meter display. Complete short conversation between nurse and patient by using the word in the box. Number 1. Can I take your blood pressure? 2. Do you mean if I do your dressing now? 3. Is it okay if I check your blood glucose level? I need to see your identity bracelet. 4. Is that okay? 5. Is it alright if I give you this injection? 6. I need to put up a now IV bag. 6. Is that alright? Study this sentence. Number 1. Good morning, Mars Hilda. I like to ask you some question about your lifestyle. It's okay. Number 2. I am going to inform you give about your diabetes medication. 3. Mars Hilda, the doctor will explain you operated to you before using the concern for is that alright? 4. I am going to give you a shower. Take your pajamas off, please, and come to the bathroom. 6. Do you mean if I do your blood sugar level now? Please, can you roll up your sleeve? I need to take some blood. Often sleep sick then answer this question. Number 1. Which of the sentence are good example of asking for consent? A. Good morning, Marcilda. I'd like to ask you some question about your eyelid style. Is that okay? C. Marcilda, the doctor will explain your operator to you before you seek the consent for. Is that alright? E. Do you mean if I do you blood sugar level now? Number 2. How can you improve the best example? B. I am going to inform you your GP about your diabetes medication. D. I am going to give you a shower. Take your pajamas off, please, and come the bathroom. F. Please, can you roll up your sleeve? I need to take blood. Pay attention the personal diabetes care plan. Answer this question based on the slides. 1. Is Mars Bhaskar taking insulin? Yes, she is. 2. How often does Mars Bhaskar test her own blood glucose level before breakfast and in the evening? 3. How often does Mars Bhaskar visit the diabetes clinic? Mars Bhaskar visit the diabetes clinic every 3 months. Terima kasih.
Baiklah, itulah presentasi dari kami.
Kami akhiri. Wassalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.